The last few wildfire seasons have been some of the most severe in California's recorded history. And new research out of Stanford University shows how smoke from those fires has polluted the air here in the West. And that's despite decades of efforts to improve our air quality.
KCRA 3 meteorologist Heather Waldman spoke with one of the lead scientists on that study. And what did you find out, Heather?
Well, I spoke with Dr. Marshall Burke. He's a professor of global and environmental policy at Stanford. Dr. Burke and his co-authors analyzed ground air quality sensors and satellite data between 2006 and 2020. What they found was a really startling jump in the number of people throughout the U.S. that are exposed to smoke in those 15 years.
We saw a 27-fold, so not a 27%, a 27-fold increase in the number of people exposed to at least one really bad day from wildfire smoke. So maybe a few 100,000 were exposed a decade ago, and now it's many millions every single year exposed to really extreme wildfire smoke. That's a dramatic increase.
But on the positive side, data shows that there have been major successes in improving air quality by reducing ozone pollution through local and national policies like the Clean Air Act. But the remarkable increase in wildfire smoke works against all of that progress, especially here in the West.
Unfortunately, what we've seen, especially in the last 5 years, is that wildfires are starting to undo some of this progress. They have not fully undone it, but especially in California, Oregon, and Washington, this undoing is happening pretty quickly.
Compared to 2020 and 2021, 2022 has been quite a bit less smoky in Northern California. That helps sustain good air quality conditions for now, but Burke says don't expect this to be the norm going forward.
And, you know, historically, that's what we've seen. We've seen some years that are better on average, followed by years that are worse. Unfortunately, we've just been getting more and more of the really bad years. And that's unfortunately what we're likely to expect in the future.
A combination of a lack of forest management and drier fuels due to warmer, drier atmospheric conditions caused by climate change increases the potential for more large, extremely smoky fires in the future. But Burke says, quote, "We aren't powerless. A combination of rapidly scaling up fuel management programs and mobilizing health resources for communities most in need can help regain progress towards a clean air future." Back to you.